Look at this, y'all. Look at that. That's Shannon and Raquel on the wall. Look at this all the way around. I'm trying to get. Look at this. It's a TV on the wall, and look at this. 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 Look at this.
Get out my room.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, look like something out of a magazine. Shannon got them skills, Bear. You already know. Look at this. This don't make no sense. Do you see this? Oh my God. Look at this. Mm-mm. This is her bathroom and her bedroom. She got a thing she gonna put up. She gonna put that up in right here over the toilet in a few minutes. But look at this. Isn't this nice? That girl knows she could decorate, Bear. Do you hear me? Lord have mercy. Bear, I ain't even through. Let me show you this. I got, since you ain't seen it, yeah, I know you ain't seen it. Look at the hallway. Look at the hallway. Look at this. I thought that was her standing right there, but it ain't. Look at this yogi. Look at the kitchen. Look at this kitchen. She doing too much for real though. Look at this. Oh my God. Shannon is the decorator from the other mother. Look at this. Look at this. And what kind of chairs those? Versace chairs. Look at this. Look, this the real deal. Look at Versace. And look at that Chanel. I mean, everywhere, Chanel everywhere. See that right there? Look what that say. Chanel. Look at this. Ooh, Yogi, Bear, Yogi. This don't make no sense, Bear. Do you hear me?
Get out of my room.
Look at this. Look at this. Chanel everywhere. Look at this. Look, Chanel pillows. You see the lips? Not me. I ain't trying to. Don't look at me. Look at them lips. Look at that. I did. Oh, no, I didn't. Not the bathroom. Not the one. Look at that. Oh! Look at this. Got another. I forgot one spot right here. Look at this. This is the other bathroom in the hallway. Look at this. Chanel up there. Look at that. Boy, I tell you, she just too much for the pressure, Bear. Look at that. Look how that stuff just decorated. Chanel tiles. And boy, Shannon knows she could decorate, Bear. This is a new version of Shannon. This is the 50s Shannon. The other Shannon, the too grown. She was young doing this, doing the young way. Now this is the grown way. Ain't that pretty, Bear? All right, I'm going to call you back in a minute.